Class we are discussed about different districts. Yes or no? In the last class we are discussed about the Bidar districts, Gulbarga districts, and the Vijapur districts, Yadgiri districts, Belgavi districts, Bagalkot districts, Raichur, Uttara Kannada, Dharwad, Gadag. Up to Gadag, we are discussed about the districts and their districts important crops. And also in the last class we are discussed about that famous song Uluva Yogiya Nodalli. Which one? Uluva Yogiya Nodalli. And also we are discussed about the farmers and some agriculture fields. Yes or no? So today I will start a new districts. Which one? That is Koppala. Which one? Koppala. So Koppala is a districts. In that districts you can see that paddy, cotton, pearl millet, red gram, sugarcane, and the green gram. So these are the important crops in that districts. Which one? Paddy, cotton, pearl millet, red gram, sugarcane, and the green grams. You can see in this next one, there is the 12th one, Haveri districts. Cotton, sugarcane, millets, jowar, sunflowers. Cotton, sugarcane, millets, and the jowar, sunflowers. So these are the important crops in the Haveri districts. These are important crops in Haveri districts. You can see next one, Ballari. Jowar, cotton, paddy, red gram, sunflowers. Jowar, cotton, paddy, red gram, and the sunflowers. These are the important crops in the Ballari districts. Which district? Ballari districts. You can see in the Ballari districts, jowar, cotton, paddy, red gram, and the sunflower. So these are the important crops in the Ballari districts. You can see in the next one, Shivamogga district. So Areca, ragi, coconut, paddy, sugarcane. So these are present in the Shivamogga districts. So these important crops are present in the Shivamogga districts. You can see in the Davangere. You can see the Davangere districts, cotton, paddy, maize, ragi, and sugar canes. You can see these all things in the Davangere district. You can see these all important crops in the Davangere districts. See the next districts, Udupi. So Udupi is number 16, Udupi. So paddy, coconut, areca, wheat, pepper, and the cashew nut. These are the important crops in Udupi district. In Udupi district. Can you see the 17th one, Chikmagaluru. Chikmagaluru antele karitare. Okay. See the Chikmagaluru. So the ragi, coffee, paddy, cumin, and the tea, and the pepper. In the Chikmagaluru districts, you can see the important foods: ragi, coffee, paddy, cumin, tea, and pepper. You can see in the 18th one, Chitradurga. You can see in the Chitradurga districts, groundnut, maize, cumin, Bengal gram. So these are the important crops in the Chitradurga district. See the next one, Dakshina Kannada. You can see in the Dakshina Kannada, paddy, coconut, areca, pepper, cashew, and the cocoa. And last one, cocoa. So these are the important crops in Dakshin Kannada districts. You can see in the 20th one, that is what, Hassan district. So paddy, the husgram, ragi, tobacco, and the coffee, sugar canes. These are the important crops in Hassan district. In the Hassan districts. See the next one, Tumkuru. The ragi, groundnut, coconut, and a green gram, and the banana and red grams. So these are the important crops in the Tumkur district. In Tumkur districts, you can see in the 22 Chikballapur. Which one? The district name Chikballapur. The horse gram, ragi, and the mulberry plants. Horse gram, ragi, and the mulberry. So these are the important crops in the Chikballapur district. You can see the next one, 23 Kodagu. Coffee, orange, rubber, pepper, ragi, and paddy. So these are the important crops in Kodagu district. In the Kodagu district. You can see the next one, Mysuru. District name what? Mysuru. You can see in the Mysuru, paddy, ragi, bengal gram, tobacco, sugarcane, and the groundnut. Paddy, ragi, bengal gram, tobacco, sugarcane, and the groundnut. So these are the important crops in the Mysore district. In the Mysore district. You can see the next one, which district? That is Mandya. In the Mandya, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, house gram. So these are the important crops in the Mandya district. In the Mandya districts. See the next one, it is a Ramnagara. Which one? Ramnagara. In the 26th Ramnagara, you can see the ragi, mulberry, and the horse gram, and the cow beans, mango. So these are the important crops in the Ramnagar district. In the Ramnagar districts, these are the important crops. Which one? Ragi, mulberry, and the house grams, and the cow beans, and the mango. So these are the important crops in Ramnagar district. In the Ramnagar districts. So Bangalore rural. See in the Bangalore rural, see the only ragi, cow beans, coconuts, and the grapes. Ragi, cow beans, coconut, and the grapes. So these are the important crops in the Bangalore rural. You can see the next one, that is what? Bangalore urban. See in that districts only ragi and horse gram. You can see the 29th districts, that is the Kolar districts. Which one? Kolar districts. In the Kolar districts, you can see the ragi, horse gram, and the mulberry. And the last one, there is what? Chamarajanagar. Which one? Chamarajanagar. You can see in the Chamarajanagar ragi, jowar, mulberry, and the cow beans, and the sugar canes. So these type will be, we are studied in the whole 30 districts in Karnataka state. Whole 30 districts in Karnataka state. So this type will be, you can see the different districts having the different important crops. Starting up to Bidar to Chamarajanagar. You can see the different type of the food materials. It means crops. It means what? Crops. Yes or no? You can see in the pictures are there, and also in the right side column you can see the statements are there. So look at the pictures given below, read the statements given in front of the pictures. The picture and the statements do not match with each other. So match the pictures with the correct statements by drawing the lines. by drawing the lines. You can see the pictures, you can see the screen, different kinds of the pictures are there, and also in the right side the statements are there. Yes or no? You draw the lines for the correct statement to the correct pictures, or you match the correct statement to the pictures. So first one is what? The first diagrams is matched to the harvesting the crop either manually or with the help of the machine. So this is the first answer. So this is the first answer. So this is what a first answer. You also match in your textbooks. Harvesting the crop either manually or with the help of the machine. With the help of the machine. So this is the first answer. Okay. See the next one. You can see that in the second question, two diagrams are there. What? Two diagrams are there. So that is the answer. Using the chemicals or organic fertilizers for a proper growth of the crop. Proper growth of the crop. So this is the second answer. So this is what a second answer. So using chemicals or organic fertilizers for proper growth of the crop. For the proper growth of the crop. So this is a second answer. So this is a second answer. You can see third one. You can see the third one. So this is a diagram of third one. Okay. The correct statement was the protecting the crop from the animals, birds, insects, and the diseases. So this is a correct answer for this one. So this is a correct answer. So this is a correct answer for this question. So this diagram. So this is a correct answer. Protecting the crop from the animals, birds, insects, and the diseases. So this is a correct answer. You can see the fourth one. So this is the fourth diagram. The fourth answer is irrigations for the proper growth of the crops. Irrigation for proper growth of the crops. So this is a fourth answer. This is what? Fourth answer. Okay. You can see the fifth answer. See, this is the fifth question. So this is the fifth question. The fifth answer is flogging the land to grow the crops. So this is a correct answer for fifth question. This is the correct answer for the fifth question. Okay. Now we see the last one. The answer was. So the last pictures you can see in your textbooks also, page number 98. So the answer was showing the seeds to the grow crops. So this is a last answer. So this is a last answer. So this type will be we match the correct statement for the pictures. Correct statement for the pictures. Okay, understand? See, this type will be we match the correct statement for the pictures. You only match in your textbooks page number 98. Page number 98. Okay, students. So this type will be studies about that important crops and the some methods. Okay. Now in your home you make the list. This type, the name of the districts, serial number, and the important crops. You write the serial wise. First Bidar districts, afterwards that important crops and the district names and the serial numbers. First of all, you write the one number, Bidar districts and important crops. So this type will be. So this type will be you write that all 30 districts names. All 30 districts names as well as write that important crops. of the all 30 districts, all the 30 districts. Okay, up to up to Chamarajanagar, up to Chamarajanagar. So you can see the first districts: Bidar, Kalaburgi, ವಿಜಯಪುರ, ಯಾದಗಿರಿ, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ, ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟ್, ರಾಯಚೂರು, ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಗದಗ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ, ಹಾವೇರಿ, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಹಾಸನ, ತುಮಕೂರು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ, ಕೊಡಗು, ಮೈಸೂರು, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ರಾಮನಗರ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರೂರಲ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅರ್ಬನ್, and the Kolar and the Chamarajanagar. So this type will be, you also make one list in your notebook, and write the all 30 districts names and the serial numbers, and also write to the important crops names also. So this type will be, you make one list in your notebook. Okay, so it is a very important knowledge for you. Okay, and also in your home, you only match this correct statement in the page number 98. You only draw the lines or put the numbers. Okay, you only match the correct statement for the pictures. Okay, and also one more things you can see in the YouTube or the mobiles. So this song is available, ನೇಗಿಲ ಹಿಡಿದ ಉಳುದಲು ಆಳುತ್ತಾ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. You also download these songs and practice it. Okay, thank you. I will continue in next class.